what I want to do here is take this down the profile. That thing looks something like this. Here's a profile of one jaw. There's the top of the jaw, slopes down to the first tooth, and so on. Inside. So, anything resting on top of the jaws, the first gripper is maybe, what, half a millimeter? It's got to come down almost a full millimeter, so that instead of looking like this, it looks like this. Get rid of this slope there. So what I plan to do, hold that against it. But I wonder if I want to be lower. I do not want to go a million RPM. No idea if this will work. Sure is slinging oil everywhere. I think it's making progress. I should have measured the damn depth before I started. Right now, it's precisely 11 millimeters. Has to go almost to 10. It is getting there, but boy, is it slow. Boy, is that hot. I wonder if a file quite a bit. That's it for that rag. It's got iron filings in it now. This is almost that's so damn close. I'm gonna call it good. Okay, this is the one I put in there. And it didn't grip it up in the dovetail. It was down 1 millimeter. So all I have to do is keep my dovetails for this, my foots, no more than 2 millimeters. They'll fit this chuck just fine. And this is 2, right at 2. Because otherwise the next tooth down is going to grab it. Now those are mighty slick, smooth jaw faces. These jaws, somebody got into them with a tool. I bought this used. Wonder if I could do the same thing to this. 12 millimeters to the top, 11 millimeters to the damage. So this would have to come down a full millimeter. How hard is this steel? Soft enough. Needs to go in reverse, which means to snap that in there tight. You might want to see this. Still see traces of damage right at the corners. This one, to a lesser degree, this one, and this one. But boy, what an improvement. I am happy.